If you want to connect your GoDaddy domain to your Squarespace website, I'll walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. This is a great setup if you already own a domain on GoDaddy and want to use it with your Squarespace site without confusion or wasted time. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick website guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, log into your Squarespace website editor dashboard. Once you're inside your account, make sure you're on the main editor area where you can access your site settings. The next step is really convenient. On your keyboard, press the / key, which is the / key, to open the global search box. This search feature helps you find settings fast without digging through menus. In the search box, type domains. As soon as the results appear, click the corresponding domain setting. This should take you directly to the domain-related settings inside Squarespace. From there, look for the option that says Use a domain I own. Click that option to begin connecting your existing domain instead of buying a new one through Squarespace. Now you'll see a field where you can enter your domain. Type your full GoDaddy web address into the box, such as yourdomain.com. Make sure you enter the domain exactly as it should appear, without extra spaces or errors, because that can affect the connection process. After entering it, click the arrow button to continue. Squarespace will then ask you to move forward with the connection, so click Connect Domain. At this point, Squarespace will automatically detect that your domain is hosted with GoDaddy. That's one of the reasons this process is so easy. Squarespace can identify the provider and guide the connection from there. Once the detection is complete, follow any remaining prompts on screen to finish linking your domain. Depending on your setup, you may need to review a few final steps before the connection is fully active. And that's it. You've now learned how to add your GoDaddy domain to Squarespace in just a few simple steps. This is a fast way to get your website online with a professional custom domain you already own. If this walkthrough helped, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful tutorial.